Hello students. So in this video we are going to study the group number 16th element, oxygen family is also named chalcogens or forming element. So these are the element oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. First two elements oxygen, sulfur are non-metals. Selenium and tellurium are metalloids, and last one polonium is a metal. So about occurrence, first four members are called chalcogens. This is because a large number of metal ores found in the earth crust are in the oxide and sulfide forms. Oxygen is the most abundant element. The last element is radioactive and derived its name from Poland, the home country of Marie Curie, who discovered the element in 1897. In general characteristic, first is about electronic configuration. This one is the general electronic configuration, and with noble core, these are the electronic configuration of these elements with noble core. What you can see, these intervening shell electron are also included, and due to these, the inert pair effect down the group after sulfur increases, and the involvement of these two electrons with unpairing is reduced. Okay, so after electronic configuration we move to about its physical properties. So about physical property, first is physical state and molecular structure, second is atomic and ionic radii, third is density, fourth is melting and boiling point, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electron gain enthalpy, oxidation states, metallic character, catenation, allotropy, multiple bond formation. So today in this video we will study first 6 properties in part number 1, then left 6 property in the second part of video. First we take physical state and molecular structure. Oxygen is a gas while other elements of this group are solids at ordinary temperature. So what can be the reason? Oxygen is a gas due to the fact that oxygen exists as a diatomic molecule, while others form more complex molecule forms, and the existence of oxygen as diatomic molecule is due to the ability to form p-pi multiple bonds. Intermolecular forces between oxygen molecule are only weak van der Waals forces. This is why oxygen exists as a gas at ordinary temperature. And about others, the other heavier elements are unable to form p-pi bonds due to their large atomic size. Therefore, these elements do not occur as diatomic molecules. In heavier elements, the polyatomic molecules held together by stronger van der Waals forces. This is why they exist as solid under the ordinary condition. So down the group, size will increase and the van der Waals forces becomes more strong. Second property we take atomic and ionic radii. So atomic and ionic radii of 16th group elements increases on moving down the group. Reason is this is due to the addition of new electronic shell at each successive element on moving down the group. That's why the size is obviously increasing. Third is the density. The density of 16th group elements increases on moving down the group again, and reason is the size of the atom increases down the group and increases the magnitude of van der Waals forces of attraction with the size between the molecule, and consequently the lattice size of the lattice becomes more compact, hence density increases on moving down the group. So due to the compactness of the lattice size. Fourth is melting and boiling point. So melting and boiling point increases regularly down the group. However, the melting and boiling point of polonium are smaller than those of second last element in the group, tellurium of this group. Explanation and reason can be the increase in the melting and boiling point on the group. It is due to an increase in the magnitude of van der Waals forces as explained in the third point. So next is and the comparatively lower melting and boiling point of polonium than tellurium are due to inert pair effect, which is maximum in polonium due to its maximum nuclear charge. Thus, the s electron pair in polonium is less readily available as compared to that in tellurium. Therefore, the intermolecular van der Waals forces are weaker in polonium, and consequently it has lower melting and boiling point as compared to tellurium. Fifth property is ionization enthalpy or energy. The ionization energies of group 16th element are quite high, and it is very difficult to remove the electrons from the valence shells of their atoms. So reason is simple, due to small size and high nuclear charge. So this is difficult to remove the electrons from its valence shell of their atom. The ionization energy decreases on moving down the group. The reason can be the same. The size is increasing and nuclear charge is decreasing with the size. The first ionization energy of the lighter element oxygen, sulfur, selenium of group 16th are unexpectedly lower than that of corresponding elements of previous 15th group elements. Explanation: these are the example are given with general electronic configuration. So you can see here P is half filled, but here P is not half filled. So that's why it is more symmetrical and more stable form. It is less symmetrical and less stable, so electron will be lost easily from this as compared to this one, first electron. Due to the extra stability of half p filled configuration and more symmetrical configuration of 15 group elements, more energy is required to remove an electron from the valence shell of an atom of group 15th. So next is electronegativity. So sixth point is, on moving down the group, the size of the atom increases and consequently the effective nuclear charge decreases. This is why electronegativity decreases from oxygen to last element polonium. The higher electronegativities of group 16 than 15 group is due to an increase in the effective nuclear charge on moving from left to right from group 15 to 16 in the same period. So dear students, revise these 6 properties, physical properties and the reasons. So in the next video we are starting from 7th point, electron gain enthalpy. Okay, so next 6 property we will watch in the next video. Till then, revise these properties. Have a good day. Thanks everyone.